Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sharan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to get the Excel sheet names from a workbook using openpyxl Python. So let's start the tutorial. So the command is py get Excel sheet names, my file name.py, enter. And notice here we got the output. The Excel sheet names are course, sheet 1, students, and sheet 3. Here it is course, sheet 1, students, and sheet 3. These are the 4 available Excel sheets in this course workbook. This is the output.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder, which is a Python-tutorials, and here it is. The Python-tutorials folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me add one new Python file called get Excel sheet names. Get Excel sheet names.py, and here we got the newly created Python file is open. Now my aim is how to get the Excel sheet names XLSX extension from a workbook in Python. So first, when you are dealing with Excel with Python, there are plenty of modules available, but here I am using openpyxl. So first let's import openpyxl. If you don't have if it's not showing in the intelligence, you need to install this module. The command is pip install openpyxl. That's it. After we import this openpyxl, next step, the workbook. Now we need the workbook openpyxl dot load workbook. The load workbook in my I'm taking the path. In this folder only I have course.xlsx is there. So switch over to the Windows Explorer. This is the course. Let's open that one. And notice in this course Excel workbook contains 4 Excel sheets: course, sheet 1, students, and sheet 3. Now my aim is I want to get all these sheet names print on the Excel terminal as an output. So here the path is course.xlsx. Then simply print the Excel sheet names are comma. We require the workbook. From this workbook, that would be dot sheet names. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Let's save this file, save all. We'll check the final output of our application. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Let's check the final output of our application to get the Excel sheet names from a workbook, from a given workbook in a Python. So the command is py get Excel sheet names, my file name.py, enter. And notice here we got the output. The Excel sheet names are course, sheet 1, students, and sheet 3. Here it is course, sheet 1, students, and sheet 3. These are the 4 available Excel sheets in this course workbook. This is the output. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to get the Excel sheet names from a workbook in Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share, and leave your valuable comment. We will catch you in my next video tutorial.